Every password you have ever set is stored somewhere as a hash, a one-way scramble that's supposed to be unreadable. Hashcat is the tool that puts that assumption to the test. It's the world's fastest password recovery tool, and today we're breaking down exactly how it works, and how to run it. Hashcat is an open-source password cracking tool included by default in Kali Linux. Unlike older crackers that lean on the CPU, Hashcat is built around GPU acceleration, using OpenCL and CUDA to run millions, sometimes billions of guesses per second. It supports over 300 hash algorithms, MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, ntlm, WPA2 handshakes, BCRYPT, Kerberos tickets. If it's a hash, Hashcat probably speaks it. In a legitimate penetration test, Hashcat is used after you've already obtained hashes, from a dumped SAM database, an extracted shadow file, a captured Wi-Fi handshake, or a Kerberosted service ticket. The goal is to prove that weak password policies are an exploitable risk, not just a checkbox. Every Hashcat command follows the same shape, Hashcat, followed by a hash type flag, an attack mode flag, the hash file, and a word list or mask. The hash type flag tells Hashcat what kind of hash it's looking at. The attack mode flag tells it how to generate guesses. Get those two right, and everything else is fine-tuning. Let's look at the 4 attack modes you'll use most. Mode 0 is a straight dictionary attack, trying every word in a word list like rockyou against your hash file. Add a rule file, and you multiply your word list's power by mutating each word, capitalizing letters, appending numbers, swapping characters. Mode 3 is a mask attack, a smart brute force that targets a known pattern instead of guessing blindly. For example, an uppercase letter, for lowercase letters, then 3 digits, perfect for a password like Summer 2024. And Mode 6 is a hybrid attack, appending a mask onto every word in a word list. That's built for the classic password plus 4 digits pattern real users fall back on constantly. Here's a realistic scenario from wireless penetration testing. After capturing a WPA2 4-way handshake with a tool like aircracking or Hexdumptool, you convert it to Hashcat's format and run a dictionary attack using hash mode 22000, the modern WPA PBKDF2 format. If the network's passphrase is in that word list, and statistically, a huge number of real-world passphrases are, Hashcat recovers it in plain text. That result becomes hard evidence in your report. This access point's Wi-Fi key is crackable in minutes, not a theoretical risk. Before any engagement, run Hashcat's benchmark mode to test your hardware across every algorithm. It tells you exactly how many hashes per second your GPU delivers, critical for estimating whether a crack will take minutes or years. Hashcat is only legal to run against hashes you own or are explicitly authorized to test. Used properly, it's one of the most effective ways to prove that weak passwords are a real, exploitable risk, not just a compliance checkbox. That's Hashcat. If you want the next Kali tool breakdown, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Like and subscribe!